If you want to set a different wallpaper on lock screen and home screen on iPhone 17e, then in that case we need to open settings. Next we're gonna scroll down in here in order to find the wallpaper option. Now in here we should be able to customize the wallpaper pair that we have available on this list. You can of course create a new set if you want to, but I'm gonna actually stick with these ones. So in here you should be able to tap on customize on the home screen, which is the one on the right side. And as you can see, by default we have this blurred version of the same wallpaper that we have on the lock screen, but you should be able to change that to, for example, a color of your choice. So you can pick up a color if you want to keep it simple. You can also use a gradient instead, or you can go to photo and you can choose a photo from your gallery if you want to use a completely different photo. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here. There we go. We can still zoom in and zoom out with 2 fingers. We can change the position and tap on done in the upper right corner once you are done with the customization. And now we can just tap on done again. And there we go. Now as you can see, I have a different wallpaper on the lock screen and a different one on the home screen. Leave a like and subscribe.